So hi and welcome to another video, and today we're going to be checking out the glide speed of the Tiger Ice skates for the Logitech G Pro Wireless Superlight. Now if you wait for my review on the Logitech G Pro Wireless Superlight, as I am myself, I've been looking forward to testing it, and I have been doing against the stock G Pro Wireless especially. It'll be out later this week, so make sure you're ready for that to drop. Now as you know, we tested out the Core pads last week, the V1s we'll call them, and you want to check that video out before you buy those definitely. And then after this video, the V2s will arrive. I'll be checking those out as well and doing the same comparison as we have been doing for all my other skates as well. Now, if you're not familiar, I have a website, beardybob.com, go and check that out. I'll be updating my charts, and all my information is generally on there if you want to go back and check it up, as well as some other videos that I've done as well. Now what we'll be doing in this video is going over 4 tests. We're going to be the general skate information, where we give you an idea of what the skates are, prices, size, things like that. Then we're doing a force glide test on a flat surface to show you how much force you need to push the mouse across. I'll tell you how fast it is. Then we've got a static friction test to work out micro adjustments as well as initial start. And then I'll be giving you my general opinion on what these mice skates are like. So if you're not familiar with my measurements, there is a link in the video that explains these as well as the acronyms that I'll be using in this video. Go and check that out as well. And let's get on with the info. So these skates are $7.99 US from iTacTech. They sent these out for me to check out, which they do with lots of the skates I'll look at as well. So I appreciate that from them. And it's certainly worth going and checking them out if you want some of these. I'll put a link in the description to their website. Good delivery, and they've always got a lot of stock in as well. Now you only get 1 set of skates in this pack, which is a bit annoying. So if you wear them out, you have to buy another set. It's not like Hyperglides or Core pads where you'll get 2, but they are slightly cheaper. They've got rounded edges, which is nice to see. They're also 0.8mm thick across all the skates, not across only some of them. I've had no LED issues, which you'd expect because they're the same things as the stock skates. One thing that was disappointing is there's no dot for the rear hook. If you do use this, I don't personally, so it didn't bother me. But if you do, you don't get a dot PTFE skate in this pack. Now another thing I've added is, do they come off easily? So the stock skates are horrendous to get off, as most Logitechs are. They tear and they bubble, a bit like Zowie skates as well. These Tigers do come off quite easily. So if you need to take them off using some of the methods, like lighter fluid or a bit of a hairdryer, don't melt your mice, then you shouldn't have any issues with these. Reusing them again if you have to take them off to take the mouse apart. So let's get into the first test. And this test is on a flat surface with a force gauge meter where we push it. It's measured in grams. The smaller the number, the faster the skates. So the Tiger's NSW came in at 14 grams. The stock came in at 18 grams. So a decent gap here from Tigers to stock, meaning the Tigers are quicker at the moment in this test than the stock. The Tiger's NFW comes in at 19 and the stock 22. Again, the Tigers here still showing the faster. The Tiger RSW comes in at 16 grams and the stock 23 grams. A big difference here, 5 grams difference here. The Tigers again showing they are quicker. And the Tiger's RFW is 18 and the stock's 24, again showing the Tigers are faster. So putting the averages together here, the Tiger's average is 18 grams of force and the stock is 23 grams of force. That's 5 grams difference here in force, which means the Tigers here are certainly quicker, and in my opinion, feeling them, they are quicker. You can definitely tell. So the angle test, which measures static friction as well as micro adjustments, you can put this down to. You can use this for when you're trying to do little movements. You want to use the least amount of force here to make it easy for you to adjust very quickly. And the Tiger's NSW comes in at 12 degrees and the stock 9 degrees. This means the stocks are slightly easier and less sticky than the Tigers to get moving. On the Tiger NFW, it came in at 10 degrees, the stock 10 as well, meaning they're both the same here. On the Tiger's RSW, it was 9 degrees and the stock 7 degrees, meaning the stocks again were easier to move and do little micro adjustments here. And then the Tiger's RSW was 8 and the stock 7. Again, the stocks being slightly easier to move and the Tiger's being a little bit stickier. And then the Tiger's average here was 10 degrees with the stock average of being 9 degrees, meaning again the Tiger's average overall is they are slightly easier to move, although it's very close here with 1 degree difference. Personally, my general thoughts is I didn't really notice the difference in micro adjustments. I did notice the difference in glide speed though, the Tigers are quicker. I also noticed the difference with the rounded skate on the front of the Tiger, being a lot easier and less catchy than it is on the stock skate, which I don't particularly like at all. I don't know why they've used flat skates on it. Was disappointed that there was no dot included in the pack, which was a bit of a shame. I'm also sad that there's only 1 set of skates in there, but you're only paying a smaller price. I do love the speed of these and I'll definitely be leaving them on my G Pro Wireless Superlight. I also like the nice smooth glide of these. Like I said, I don't like the stock skates, a little bit catchy. I didn't find them particularly sticky when I was moving them around for micro adjustments. So overall, I do prefer these Tiger skates to the stock. I'll certainly be leaving them on, and I certainly would recommend you change your stock straight away for the Tiger Ice skates here. definitely worth checking out. If you haven't seen my other videos, definitely check them out. There's loads in there for this kind of videos and statistics, and I'll see you very soon in the G Pro Wireless Superlight video. Don't you worry. Catch you later. Bye bye.